Freon is going out, and we're taking it in for trade.
Everybody come. We're doing for the next 10 seconds. Whoever comes and want to buy something, they get it for 50% off.
Korean Ditto is going out with the guard for...
Can you sign it and put a date on it?
What? What's up, y'all? We're here at NTX Card Show today. So we were at NTX Card Show yesterday. We ended up selling a lot of our inventory. So today we got a lot of cash. We're in a buying market today. But hopefully we sell some things while on the way as well. But I'll keep you guys updated on how everything goes to show you guys some of our heat that we have today. And then the binder, Ben's gonna be set up right behind it. All right, y'all, this is the second deal of the day. I didn't record the first deal, but we sold 2 ECBs, Prismatic Evolutions, but these going out for $5.
Tempted to sell everything modern and just pump Crete, Diamond and Pearl era.
Right. We are taking these in, singles, and we are giving away our EXs, so our Wall Ring, and our Kabutops EX, and he's adding cash on top. So 43 trade credit.
Good to go?
Yes, sir. Thank you, brother. I appreciate you so much, man. Thank you.
Have a good show, guys.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You sell anything else?
No, oh, 2. I sold 2 ETBs for 200.
Looking for munchers and munchers.
Oh.
You don't find any here.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're
Yes, sir.
fine
Thank
when
you.
you're
One
not
day,
really
one day.
fine.
Did you meet me at 50?
45 in a trade-up?
45 in a trade up? Like, you'll throw me a, let me see. You wanna see if she has like a $5 or $8 card that you wanna pick out? Ooh, you selling this?
Oh, we're trying to buy this. So we're trying to see if there's a card, because she said trade up like what, 40 and a card on top?
Yeah,
So
45 and a card on top.
45.
But I want to, because I priced that near market, so I want to be close.
Oh, snap.
Trades right now.
Yeah.
Almost cleared out my whole binder.
You did? Yeah, this the,
So just
the binder boy here.
The
HBIC.
All right, y'all, so we are taking in a big stack of singles in. Let me just show you guys right quick. So we're gonna fast forward through this. Yeah, so taking all these in. And then he also took one of my Mega Gyarados for trade as well. So we got some of that towards credit, and I'm paying him 62 cash on top. All right, really cool deal, y'all. There you go. I appreciate you so much.
Yeah, man, I'll definitely support.
Yes, sir.
Cool guys.
Just search up Shawty Trades on YouTube, man. I appreciate you so much. Thank you, boss. Thank you, guys.
So Momolam put this on top. They're cool with it, but I'm seeing they're waiting on something.
Okay. It's $18 back. I send you $18 back.
Oh, and look at the steel.
Yeah, of course. Gotcha. Yeah, you want to take the steel. So you just send me $9 more and we can shake hands. All right, y'all. Really cool deal. Another pickup. We're buying a lot today, like we said we were. I got all these cards coming in. And then I traded some of my cards out for it too, but it was a pleasure. Thank you, boss. All right, y'all, so my Mega Venusaur, got this yesterday at NTX Card Show. It's going out for 92 bucks. I appreciate you. What was your name, boss?
Judah.
Judah. Nice to meet you, Judah. Thank you so much. That one's clean. It's a $20 card.
That's tough.
Yeah,
It's a little off-center.
it is, it is.
I was trying to find the gradable ones.
That's what I'm doing.
I was like, dude, I don't care if it's a $2.
Take it off my hands. I haven't seen if it's like center or anything, so if y'all want to take it to grade. Do you happen to know the conditions of all these?
Most of them are
Near
light
mint,
blade,
LP and near
I
mint?
think that the teeth, the Tyranitar is the only LP.
Okay, I see. Yeah, I only buy my cards like LP plus or like near mint. But that's just me. You selling any of these? I've been getting into these full art GXs lately.
I'm trying to finish them all.
Oh, really?
That's why I'm trying to buy the Zampros.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I won't take it from you.
Yeah.
It's hard.
Yeah.
That should be the I'll pull that.
Yeah,
Near
we'll-
You want to sell it?
yeah.
Okay. And then which card were you looking at over here, boss?
Can we look at the ground on?
Yeah, right on.
Can we look at the Sylveon EX?
Yeah. This one right here?
How much?
I'm at 76 trade credit right now.
We'll get the Sylveon for sure.
Okay.
And then 26 left. I grab my Ampros GX.
Yeah. 8 left. Choose the $8 cards. I have $8 cards from the binder if you want to grab those too. I still have the Kyogre, right, Steven? Oh, okay.
Oh, is it?
Oh, okay.
Someone interested in it?
Oh, you're good. It's your deal. I was just trying to show him because he was like taking a look at my Groudon earlier.
You see like $1 more, so you can get it.
No. That's not how things work.
Yeah, I see. Immediately.
Yeah, the $8 card. Okay. Appreciate you, boss. Thank you so much. Thanks for working out a good deal. Yeah, we are taking this in for trade.
Alright, boss, man, I have the Groudon at 82 per market, so you're in a luck. We have it for 76, so we'll honor the 76 sticker price. Cool? Thanks, bro. Yeah.
Are you selling it?
Yeah. I got some other girls.
I'll head to the front right
And
now.
buy, bro. Huh? 75%.
So it's 5%.
What you mean, bro?
No, when I saw it, bro, I got you a cut. Don't worry.
No, don't worry about a cup. Dude, is there a food court? Where is the Ding Tea? A Gongcha where?
Bro, there's hidden gems out
Is in there? Bro, I'm about to go to Gongcha.
I was trying to go
I'm
to
a
a
price
restaurant, but after I went to a restaurant, I
You
was like,
found
I can get
Gongcha?
some tea.
Wait, there's a whole food court here, no?
I'm about to go.
Wi-Fi here is not good. Yeah. E, you just want to sell it to me later, and then.
Oh yeah, I can do that. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, absolutely. Appreciate it. Thank you. Well, have a good one.
Thank you, boss. You too.
I don't know that guy.
Wait a minute. What you mean?
Don't let my first sale be like that.
How do you have signal here?
Bro, I bought these earlier. It took me a while to price. I'm still pricing this out.
I'm about to go outside the price. I'm not gonna lie.
Check your quick pay.
For 166.
Yeah, for 166. Gotcha. 166. Got it. I appreciate you so much, boss. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Have a good one, man. Thank you. Take care. How long have you had it for?
Match card?
Yeah. Since January?
Maybe.
A month? Okay.
I found a random guy that was selling one. It looked pretty clean. I sent it off and I was like, there's no way. I just want to get a 10.
Oh, you send it in the
Yeah. I was like, there's no way. But
What you got in here, man?
that's stuff like I'm willing to get rid of completely. But there's nothing crazy there. Just quick, small stuff.
I would buy these.
You'd buy them?
Yeah. Well, I'm a 10 collector, so I would buy the 10s. So these two. Yeah?
I do 390 on it.
390 on it. If you give it to me for 75, I'd do 390 on it. And what does that come out to? 290. I round up 295 for you.
Take it 300.
Let's comp these out, okay? My man's talking to me now. He's talking money.
I like it, but it's not really the card out.
This one is, call it 110.
That's dropped out. That's
Yeah.
so yeah, I'll go 110. It also has some raw.
Shit, we'll take a look at that too. Let's focus on this right quick. So
I sold my stuff beyond thinking. I was like, oh, I thought with all the reprints,
it was gonna go down.
freaking double.
I'm not even gonna lie to you. I thought the same exact thing. I just had it in my suitcase, you know. And then later on, whenever I had comped out, it went from 2, jumped back up to 4.5.
Like I sold mine for this one. I was like, I got this for 25. I was like, that's great. It jumped up, it's good. But now that one's like
60 a pop. No, man, that PSA one.
If I'm a kid, I would definitely do. Hey, I'm doing it. Like, I would do it every time.
If I was a kid, yeah.
If I come and do that, that's good. No. Get out of my face.
Yeah, security?
Exactly.
Where's your parents?
Oh, it's up. Yes. It was 23, and then
Not him saying I'm clear to get a service.
I might as well do market for that, right?
I think it's like 1300 I saw too. So
Yeah, okay. 1250 is 3020, and then I have 490,
48.
so 35. Yeah.
Also, these three you don't have.
This Charizard one though, I would add this one in as credit too. It's a clean card. And then 124 on this one.
Okay.
So 100. We got 100 on this one.
So that leaves us
36. We're 600 off right now. Might grab one more if you're trying to work towards. Yeah.
I look at these ones.
Okay. Not the Tina?
No.
Okay.
Keep the Tina.
Okay.
I don't know, maybe. Yeah. You give me 450 for this, I would do. No. That's what I paid for it. I mean, I
Right.
can't go under that.
Dude, we're getting somewhere though. Okay, we can do 5 on it.
Might be in the binder.
41. We are,
Would you do it?
brother.
Come on.
Brother.
I know.
Bro, we're at 4110 right now.
I do 100 cash. 100.
Give me 125 cash. We shake hands. Because that would put you at 42, like 30. But 125 cash, I mean, that'd work with me. Umbreon is going out, and we're taking it in for trade. This in a raw. Patina in a 10, Mew 10, Rayquaza 10, Iron Valiant 10, Lugia 10, and the Magikarp in a 10. Holy shit, one of the biggest deals in my life.
The biggest deal in my life.
Yes, sir. Andrew, thank you so much. Now I can stock up the case. Oh yeah, scan it, you're good.
He's on to us.
I do my due diligence.
Yeah, no, of course, you have to. And I didn't scan this either, so I gotta...
We're on to you.
That would be the one that wouldn't be good.
That wouldn't?
No, just kidding.
Oh, okay. Everything checks out. Light.
Can I have one of the sleeves off one of those?
Yeah. There you go, boss. You want any more? Okay.
I should be okay.
Yeah, that's perfect.
All right, there you go. Thank you so much, ma'am. You have a good one. Appreciate you.
Freaking eyes hurt.
Oh, okay.
Look at all these cards.
Any chance graded guards included?
If you want
I
it,
toss an extra like 15 with you.
toss me a 10. Just pay me what I paid for it. I give it to you. Yeah. I know, first and foremost, I'd probably take this Leafeon. So I'm at 272 in trade credit with these right now. So you're off like 28.
Austin, would you do 270?
Yeah, I did 270 cash. I got my Surging Sparks Pikachu going out for 270. It's a clean card, boss. Thank you so much, guys.
So what do you do? Those two plus 40 bucks for this and the
Honestly, I'm debating whether I want to buy this end too, and then I'll throw you cash on top.
fair, okay.
Or where's the other slabs at? Because I know these are high. I might stay away from 151 for now. I know they're at all-time high. Just a little scared for that. Thank you, sir. You know what? Let's just do these two then.
Okay.
And then, yeah, you throw me the rest in cash on top. Yeah, 40 bucks on top. I got the Korean Ditto. Is going out with the guard for Leafeon and Ceruledge. All right, boss. I appreciate you so much, brother. Thank you. Yes, sir. Take care of her. All right, y'all. So we are trading out this ETB for these GX cards. I got Gyarados, Mewtwo, and Dragonite. All right, thank you so much, boss. I appreciate you. Thank you, sir. 5 on it. 65? Okay. I appreciate you, boss. Thank you so much. That little cute one looking right here. I do an even 60 for you if you want.
All right, so 65 plus 68, right? Yeah.
125. Thank you so much, brother. 45? I can do 45 on that one. All right, y'all. My Sunflora is going out for 45. I appreciate you, boss. Thank you so much.
We're not done yet.
Yeah, no, I got you. You let me know.
That's the one right there.
Yeah, and I think I do have. Yeah, I think I do have the ferret as well.
Oh, there's a ferret.
Yeah.
You take it. Throw me 50.
All right, if I did the ferret too, can you sign it and put a date on it?
What?
With everyone. So I'm like, I collect a bunch of them. I just like getting pages of people that I bought them from.
I
like,
love it. Of course I saw that. I'm over here thinking my YouTube finally blew up. I'm like, can I get an autograph? Like, okay. I would love that.
Awesome.
All right. And you want me to sign the card or the sleeve?
The card, like down here.
Okay, the card down.
You can still see its face.
Okay, gotcha.
Can't cover up his face.
I'm not gonna try to slaughter this
Are
right
we
now.
witnessing your first autograph?
Yeah, guys, I have my first autograph. All right, I got it down. Wow, thank you so much, y'all. I appreciate you guys. And then, let me grab you your slab, and thank you so much.
Hey, no problem.
All right, and you always end. We're teaching them young, but you always end the deal with a handshake.
Yeah.
I appreciate you
He's done a
guys.
lot of that today.
Okay. Oh, what you doing, bro? Good? Yes, bro. Today has been crazy, bro. I'm telling you, if you guys ever get a chance to book tables at NTX, always take it.
What the fuck?
Always take it.
We good? Oh my god.
Good.
With them? Or I'm helping them.
He's with us.
Whenever he needs a smoke break, you know.
Yeah.
Can you look up a comp real quick?
Yeah. What comp you looking at?
Chris Ed Pichu, Neo Genesis.
Oh, it's 152 right now. First edition.
Okay, y'all, Sean's gone, but I'm in this place and we're getting the Scizor GX out for 20. We're letting go of these two.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Cinnamon taking over. All right, y'all. So Sean is gone for lunch. So I'm fuck some shit up. Everybody come. We're doing for the next 10 seconds. Whoever comes and want to buy something, they get it for 50% off.
Huh? Huh?
Okay, thank thank goodness nobody came.
You would owe me $6.
Grab these two.
So these will be separate.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. So probably the last trade of the day. I am trading these out, the Dene and that.
90% right now.
And then in, we're getting Eevee, Alakazam, Fracture, Lairon, and Grotto. All right, y'all. So I sent Victor on a mission. I gave him $180 to try to get me this Dark Trio. He got it for $175. Good job, little brother. All right, y'all. For real, last deal of the day. We're selling this to the brother Zach. I appreciate you, Zach, for 35. There you go. You enjoy it. All right, y'all. Last deal of the day. Taking this in for 130. This is actually Steven's pickup, so we'll take it. I appreciate you, boss.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Wrapping up NTX, y'all. Good night. We are done. We did really good today.